Girly whirlies, we are in Barcelona. Say it with me. Barcelona. Barcelona. We've arrived. We got upgraded. So we're staying in the Nobu Hotel. I've never stayed in a Nobu Hotel. And I booked us a Zen suite. I was being bougie. It's my 30th birthday. That's wild. We're going to talk about that later. We have a lot to yap out. We have a lot to catch up on. But he checked us in and he gave us an upgrade. So we're in like a bougier suite than what I thought we were having. So we have this whole view. How beautiful. There's the sea. There's the beach out there. Got the quarter there. Beautiful castle up there. We're going to go exploring. The room is absolutely fabulous. We've already made an absolute mess of it. But it's gorgeous. So, outfit check. I love when we have a mirror for an outfit check. This is Molly May, maybe brand. It is, I got the jacket a little bit big. Sam thinks it looks like a tracksuit. It kind of does look like a tracksuit, but I feel like it's kind of perfect. I'm wearing my Uggs, obviously, that's all I wear, but if it was with a heeled boot, it's like dressed up, dressed down vibes. I feel like my hair has gotten even longer since I last spoke to you. We have a few tapes in, hold on. The tapes definitely make it a little bit longer. I need a bit of spray. Sam McKnight spray. This, I haven't used this in a long time and the smell of it reminds me of summer. So that's the Sam McKnight texture spray. But also, I don't mind the L'Oreal, the Infallible. I swear I use it as like face and hair. It just like does the job. Okay, sunny's on, part of the outfit. It's not typically sunny out there. Who did you say I look like? Okay, I look like Oasis today and I'm gonna take it as a compliment because they sell out arenas all over the world. Okay. Let's go explore, and we're of course gonna bring you with us. Oh God, it looks a bit cloudy now. It looks like it could rain. Okay, let's go. We're locals. We're getting the underground. What do they call it here? The metro? Yeah. To be confirmed. Thank you. Can you translate? Do you know what she's saying? I don't know any Espanol. Is it no hablo Espanol? Yeah, that's what we're doing. The Sagrada. How do you say that? Sagrada. The family.
Where are we?
We're gonna go and see Sagrada.
I know, but where are we now?
Oh. Oh my God. It's insane. Do your thing. We're nearly breaking our necks looking up at it from here. We'll go for a ramble. It's beautiful. Okay, let's roll. Pan to the Queen. So I actually don't know anything about it. We're gonna sit down and do our research. We didn't have tickets to go inside. I'm giving tour guide. I know no Spanish and I know nothing about that beautiful being behind us. So let me do my research. Pan? Yeah. Let me do my research and I'm gonna come back to you. Yeah? Yeah. Look what we got. Oh. Are we out of focus? I can't tell. We got Aperols. So we did dry January. I say we. Sam doesn't really drink anyway. I did dry January. I did pretty well, didn't I? I have a little star chart until I went out for my best friend's birthday. Like, dry January doesn't exist when it's a best friend's birthday. And I ended up really sick. I think I got like maybe flu A.
You're good now though.
I'm good now though. And now we're here with our Aperol. Cheers, honey bun. Sam loves an Aperol.
Love an Aperol.
We converted you.
It took about 5 years.
It took him a while, but you're converted. But I was meant to look up what, I can't say it, Sagrada.
It's a black thing.
Sagrada Familia. What are you looking at, babe?
The black thing.
It's just a motion thing. So, it's Gaudi. I thought, no, it's not Salvador Dali.
He's manga.
He's surrealism.
Yeah,
this guy is Gaudi. Is that how you say it? Expected to be finished around 2026. Well, we've just entered 2026 and there's cranes all around. Wow. That's the history for you. Tea. What a beautiful day. Can you go inside?
I can see it from there.
Ah. Go light some candles. Pan in on him. Sling. Beautiful. Oh, we've no coins. We must get coins. Stunning. I love when I get Sam to show up. I don't want to scare him off, you know. when they think you like something, they're like, no, 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 no. So nice. We're in Carhartt. That's the one. Oh, Sambe, that is the one. And they had it in XL. We're getting it. You're getting it, babe.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
So handsome. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Oh, yeah. Carhartt. What is it? Keys in the car and the Carhartt.
Let's keep the key. I don't need the keys in the car. Keep them in the car part at the car store. You know?
You heard it. You heard it here first. I love it.
Yeah, I've heard of them.
Oh, yeah. We are in heaven. We found, I look like a panda. We found a Korean skincare. You look like Batman.
Batman.
We found a Korean skincare shop. I went wild and I know I'm going to go wild again tomorrow. I want actually to get makeup. I just got skincare, but there's makeup stuff as well. And these are Cosrx. Oh, where did I
What
go?
do these do?
Just for like rejuvenating the under eye, darling. These are, the brand is Benton, okay?
Yeah.
Benton Snail Bee Ultimate Hydrogel Eye Patches. Like bee, like a snail and a bee, like
What?
did they have sex? Snail Bee Ultimate
So
Hydro
is this like
Eye
the
Patch.
slime under a snail?
Yeah, hydrates and nourishes skin with snail secretion, filtrate, ferment,
This sounds rotten.
bee venom, and seaweed extracts. Yeah, but Sam, it's what the Koreans do, and the Koreans are the most beautiful creatures. So
What's it gonna do? Is it gonna take away my black bags?
no, darling, don't be saying that about yourself.
I have
Sam is
I have
insecure about his
I
introverts.
have purple eyes. I am insecure about my eyes.
Don't, Tony. But yeah, you're gonna wake up. Well, we're not gonna sleep with them on because they go flying off. But we'll take them off in a minute. We're gonna watch Game of Thrones, let them sit, and they're just gonna rejuvenate our under eyes. You look so cute. We got some Milka, guys. This is my dream.
It's like 9:30.
This is heaven.
Now fans, you're up at 4:30.
Oh no, but honestly, this is heaven either way. Later tomorrow because we might go to football. We'll see.
Oh yeah.
I've burnt my skin with my epidural. We'll talk more tomorrow. We are about to
This
chill
is
the
such
fuck
a
out.
weird feeling.
The eyes, they're not stinging or anything though, no?
No,
As
but
long as
it
they're
feels like my face is wet.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it is.
No, but like I feel like I need to wipe away like droplets,
I know,
not
I
like
get it.
moist.
Yeah, it feels. I get you. Okay. Night, love you. We'll check in the morning.
Sleep well, guys.
Good morning, my gorgeous girlies. We went upstairs, we had breakfast, we've chilled out. I'm gonna do a little Korean skincare haul for you. Maybe when we get back. I went very wild and I'm gonna go in again. I did use, sorry, it's called Min, I think, Min. Do you think it's Min?
Yeah.
Min? It's gorge.
Mine.
Mine. Oh, I asked her for a recommendation and she gave it to me. Now, I did burn, okay, so I've burnt my neck with Epiduo. I've burnt my neck with Epiduo and I actually think Sam, the swelling was the Epiduo. I think I went a bit ham with my Epiduo. I did a TikTok about my adult acne. I went to a dermatologist. We're going to talk about this. I'm going to sit down and yap, but I basically have adult acne. That's really cute. I've really hyperlactin. That's really cute. Anyway, so that's causing like adult acne, whatever. We're still trying to figure it out. Me and my doctor, I did bloods again. Might have to do an MRI. We'll talk about it. What was I updating them in the first place? Sorry, so we're going to head out for the day. There's a few vintage shops I want to go to. Sam got his gorgeous Carhartt jacket yesterday and I'm in the mood to splurge myself. So, oh, we're going to football later as well. We're going to football. So we're going to shop. I think we're staying in the Nobu. I think we are going to go out for dinner, but I actually think we'll go upstairs for dinner because the football game's like around the corner. So I think we'll do Nobu for dinner. You're going to get sushi sambe. Sushi sambe, and yeah, anyway, we'll bring you along with as per. It is a beautiful day out there. We're absolutely sweating in this room, but no complaints because the sun is beaming in. It is gorgeous, and okay, we'll bring you with us for more exploring and shopping and eating and maybe a Twinkie poo along the way. Love you. Very successful shopping so far. I just bought this gorgeous little vintage Isabel Marant. And it was on final sale. There was a fur hat that I wanted, but it was a little bit spenny, so we're on the way to another vintage shop. So that was Cotton Vintage. I'll insert pics. They had stunning stuff. I was about to say, didn't they, Sam? But Sam doesn't quite concern himself. But I was in heaven. And this is my new little jumper. I'll show you properly in a minute. And yeah, I'm on the hunt for like a vintage fur hat. That's the vibe. We got so blessed with the weather. It is so sunny. I don't even have the jacket on. Are you warm? Or you're kind of content? Yeah, it's very warm. It's beautiful. No complaints because it was apparently raining before we got here. Oh, there's the sun. Where are we going? Okay, to continue. Quick update, my girlies.
Hello.
We're now at football. You tell them, Sambe. Wait, let me pan. How do I do that? Hold on. There we go. Tell us, where are we, darling?
Espanol.
Espanol. So,
Espanol, they're playing Alaves.
so if you just said Espanol to me, I just would have thought
No,
you
not
meant
like Spanish. No, Espanol, the football
the
team.
team.
In Barcelona. They're playing
Barcelona.
Alaves. Hopefully they win.
Is that also a Spanish team?
Yeah, it's La Liga.
We're at a La Liga, which is like the UK
Spanish
Premier League.
Yeah.
I'm learning. I'm learning.
Oh, wait, man, JJ Watt.
I love a bit of football. I said to Sam, you could bring me anywhere. You could bring me to cricket. You could bring me to an orchestra.
Once there's an atmosphere.
I love a bit of atmosphere. I love to people watch. I love the vibes.
I said somebody bouncing.
I love a show.
I like
I
that
love a
yellow
show.
too. We get like a full.
Are we getting
case.
merch?
We get a full.
We'll get
case,
merch.
shin guards and everything.
We're gonna get merch.
And then we'll wear.
But yeah, I love a show, and to me, football is a show. Cheers, darling.
Oh, they're walking out.
Are we missing out? The queue's still quite busy. I'll report back from inside the stadium. We're exiting the building.
Yeah.
We didn't win.
Well, it's 2-1 with 20 minutes left.
We're exiting the building.
Look at the shift.
It was fun.
Oh, they're going mad.
It was fun. But we're gonna get some food. Is this exit? Yes. It was fun. But we didn't slay. Reporting live from last night's exact position. We have Game of Thrones about to play. We have Milka. So my face, full on, I woke up to a swollen face. I actually think it was my epiduo, which I was given by my dermatologist because I got referred to a dermatologist finally after years of perioral dermatitis, and then it turned into adult acne because I did the most amazing blood panel. We actually both got blood panels done. Isn't that what it's called? A blood panel? Mm-hmm. A big old blood test in Pure Pharmacy. They're expensive, yes, but it is so worth doing because then I found out I have really high prolactin. I talked about this in a TikTok video, but I, for some weird reason, have really high prolactin. That could mean my pituitary gland has like a benign tumor on it, so it's not dangerous, it's not scary, but it sounds scary. And we were going to do an MRI, and then my doctor was like, no, I don't think it's high enough to give you an MRI. Let's test your bloods again in a few months. So I just did my blood test, so I'm waiting to hear from him, so I might need to do an MRI to see if my pituitary gland is producing more prolactin than it was before. If it's gone up, we're going to do the MRI. If it hasn't gone up, I think we're okay. I am convinced I have Hashimoto's, which is an autoimmune which attacks your thyroid. My sister has hypothyroidism. My bloods don't show that I've a bad thyroid. I'm just convinced. I check every box for like a problem with your thyroid. Fatigue. My friends call me Sleeping Beauty. I could fall asleep anywhere. Like, I'm always tired, sluggish. Irregular cycle. My period's irregular, but I always put that down to the coil. But now I'm starting to think, bowel movements, check. But like my neck full on swells, and I've a bit of a fat neck anyway, a bit chubby neck.
You drowned her.
Thank you. But even this morning, I know this morning my neck was swelling because I think it was the epiduo. It's like a prescribed cream for skin. I woke up so swollen. My face gets swollen out of nowhere. Just so many things that I'm like, it's giving Hashimoto's. Anyway, that's a story for another day because we don't know the answer yet. This is our vibe.
Love Game of Thrones.
This is my happy place. I'm actually sad, Sambe, I don't have my knitting with me. I'm a knitter now. I haven't talked to YouTube in so long.
You haven't done it. You need to do a little knitting vlog.
I'll do a knitting vlog, embroidery and knitting.
Embroidery.
And my colouring book. The Wholesome era is here. Okay, we're going to watch Game of Thrones. We'll check in with you. We have breakfast in the morning. We don't have much plans tomorrow. We have dinner. But like for the day, we'll find out what we want to do tomorrow. It's our last day tomorrow.
We're going to get an oakberry tomorrow.
I'm craving an oakberry.
What stop was that at?
That was when we went to Cotton Vintage earlier when I got that. But it was walking from Cotton Vintage to Lullaby Vintage.
Diagonal.
So we got off at Diagonal. Well, we'll Google it, but I think we get off at Diagonal and go to Oakberry.
We get an Oakberry for that. We love an Oakberry.
We love acai bells.
They're so good, man.
Oakberry. I love an Oakberry. Okay, this is good night from us. We'll check in with our Oakberry in the morning.
No, it is.
Hello, my gorgeous girlies. So we this morning got up and went for Oakberry. We actually missed breakfast. We just wanted a bit of a lie-in. And the breakfast sandwich, it didn't blow our minds yesterday, did it?
No.
It didn't blow our minds, but it was kind of because we got in kind of when it was kind of finishing. So tomorrow morning maybe we'll go up earlier because we're flying tomorrow, so we'll be up earlier. Anyway, I'm going on. We got Oakberry and coffees this morning. Then we've come back to the hotel. We're going to head out. We're going to maybe get welded bracelets because we got welded bracelets. Where did we get that done, babe? Paris? London, well done. Got it done in London and his broke. Sambay's broke the neck. So we might try to do that again. We'll also go for a little dinner and then, so we think we're going to do an early dinner and come back and go upstairs to Nobu. We haven't been up to the rooftop. Obviously we went for breakfast, but we haven't been up there for a drinky poo. So we'll do that. A quick haul. So skincare. So in this shop that I was talking to you about, Min, the Korean skincare store, there is makeup as well, which I wish I kind of looked at. But anyway, I got loads of sheet masks. That's my vibe. I love sheet masks. I mainly love eye masks. This is what me and Sam used the other night when we showed you and we were having our pamper night. We had a gorgeous Game of Thrones pamper night again last night. It was stunning. We're pretty chill. We're having a chill time. These are gorgeous. What else did I get? This was the cream. I did wake up with like burned skin, but that was from my Epiduo. This cream is what the gal recommended, House of Doa. And she said it's like pretty much also that everywhere. So if you tell me that, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. If you've told me it's high in demand, I'm gonna want it. That's how you fool me. It's terrible, but that's how you trick me. So Rice Bran Facial Moisturizer. Glass skin is what she said. I got an eye cream. Haven't used it yet. Eye cream, Miracle Youth eye cream, 11 Village Factory. I will do anything for under eyes. Girls, I'm turning 30. I will do anything for the under eyes. Like, you know, I do get the salmon sperm, the polynucleotides, however you say it, in my under eyes. I'm kind of due that. I'm kind of like, ooh, I want a little freshness in my under eyes because filler under eye just scares me. So the polynucleotides, it's great. It's like it's basically salmon sperm is the closest thing to like human, oh my god, my tongue's terrible, to human collagen or something, so the way it reproduces. I don't really know, the way it reproduces collagen or something really well, apparently, in our skin. Are you laughing at me? What else did I get in that shop? And then of course, had to do a Sephora trip, got the one size setting spray. Always hearing about this, really wanted to give it a go. Of course, I got a mini, I love to have a mini of a setting spray. So we picked up one of them, picked this up. This I think is pretty much like road glazing milk. It's a milk anyway. Glory, it was the packaging. Like, look at that packaging. Glory Before Noon Glazing Pro Collagen Milk. She sounds fabulous. So we'll give that a go. House Lads Foundation, I'm so excited to try this. Everyone raves about it. But then I got shade 220. I got shade matched with like the foundation I was wearing and it was pretty much bang on. Picked up the Tarte concealer, creaseless concealer, because usually I love their Shape Tape, but I just picked this one up to give it a go and we'll see. Of course, packaging purposes, the Dior. Oh my God, I think these are new. I'm not actually sure if they're new, but they were giving new on the counter, but I could be, maybe I've just never seen them before, but I got, is this shade 3 light medium. That looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to use that. I thought this was a new flavor lip mask, Laneige. It's actually their sleep mask, but that's okay. Bouncy and Firm Laneige sleep mask. That's okay. It's okay. I wanted a lip, but it's okay. I have loads of their lip. I love their lip. And I just got excited and thought, oh my God, that's a new lip flavor, new lip color. No, of the lip sleep mask, I love them. But no, I was wrong. It was a face mask. That's okay. It will be used. Hand sanitizers. You always have to have hand sanitizers. These little handy ones, they're very cute. I love that it's called Handy. Like, that's genius. Hand sanitizers, it's called Handy. Give it to me. So I love having them in the bag. So maybe more shopping to be done today. We'll see. We're gonna head out and explore. Hop on the metro again. We better find out what metro stop we're getting off at. It is so bright I can't even see, but we kind of nailed it. Well, no, so we're not staying very, well, no, I don't know what's central in Barcelona, but Nobu isn't central, I guess, would you say?
Yeah.
But it's right beside the metro, so we got a little 3-day metro card, and we've been hopping on our L5 and L3 and L1, and we've been having a great time. We're locals now. So that's where we're heading now. It's very windy around here.
Yeah.
It was a bit windy yesterday as well, but we're heading to get on the metro and explore this today. Get our welded bracelets and see what's going on. I don't think you're even in frame. He's too tall. Hi, Vloggy. Love ya. So cute. So our chains are the same, but I got gold. Cute. Sam got silver. Yee.